and you feel guilty. You don't work out and you feel guilty. You don't spend enough time with the kids and you don't feel guilty. You spend too much time with the kids and you're like, oh my God, I need a break. I mean, there's really no like happy medium of any kind. There's just not. Okay? It's just not. So it's like, you always feel good after you work out. You feel good wanting to have that cake, but then you don't feel good after you have it. So, like, why do we keep doing that to ourselves? Why? You know? What if instead of a slice of cake, it was a quarter amount? Then maybe you wouldn't feel guilty and you wouldn't feel like crap. You know what I'm saying? It's like you gotta find that balance that always makes you feel good. That's what I'm trying to do. All right, I can't see your writing, so, oh, hold on. I see why I can't see your writing. Oh, there you guys are. Hi. Oh, Lisa, you're on vacation. Okay. Okay. You know what I'm saying, right? It's just, you're always like on this seesaw. I always call it a seesaw because like I'm so excited to drop off the kids and, do my thing today, have my day, because I was with them all week. And then I get home and it's like, ugh, I have to go back. And you're like, I have to go back and like pick up the kid, And then I get home and I'm like, oh, he really doesn't sound good. Oh, let me make you some tea. Now I'm gonna go upstairs and then he's gonna be like, can I go on the iPad? And I'm gonna be like, no. And it's just like, anyway, that's just is what it is. All right.